Soroban. How the app works. Learn how to operate the app and how to move the beads. Available exercise types. Practice mathematical operations in a different way.
In the following, we are going to show how to use the Soroban app. Click on a bead to move it. As shown, you can move several beads at the same time. Click on the home icon in order to reset the Soroban. Click here in order to hide or show the number being represented by the beads. When the number is not displayed, reading the beads can be set as an exercise as well. Click on this icon in order to go to the exercise settings. At the top, you can set the range of numbers which should be used in the exercises. Select one of the various exercise types by clicking on them. Move the beads so that they represent the same number as the one being displayed. Click on this icon in order to check whether your solution is correct or not. Click on the arrow to start a new exercise according to your settings. You can also practice addition with this app. You can also practice multiplication with this app. Visit our website for further information about our apps.